Hi everyone, my name is Jane. I'm going to show you how to make a bracelet using cotton double knit and the 4.5mm hook. The idea of doing this bracelet is to draw together all the stitches that I've shown you on the other three videos, the double crochet, the half treble and the treble, because it uses all these three in one project. So you get the idea of how we make this curve. It's all in the pattern, and then you carry on to the end of the bracelet. And then when you finish that, you come back to the beginning where we had these 6 chain, and with a needle, which I've got in here I hope, right at the very bottom. Oh, it's a bit of a big needle, but never mind. Thread that end there, and you can use this little, I haven't left myself much end, you want to leave yourself a bit more than that actually, and just fasten that needle back into the end of the bracelet. And as you can see, we've got a little buttonhole by magic,